First of all, congratulations to the producers and everyone involved. Congratulations to yourself. This is a very, very good crowd. I think we learned a lot. We are all in the stage, and a lot of you are in the stage now where you're becoming sexually active. And what happens is a lot of parents, they're so busy telling you, don't have sex, that they forget to tell you how to protect yourself or teach you the importance of protection, teach you the STIs, the HPVs, and teach you the different sexually transmitted disease. So I hope that this film can open your eyes, and with anything that you do it safely, do it with caution. I would advise for you to wait, I really would, but if you don't, please talk to someone, talk to your parents, talk to a counselor, talk to anyone, and don't be afraid. You understand? It's a part of life. We all go through it. You guys are growing, you guys are going to the next phase. So I want you to keep your health first and the importance on checking up. Check on yourself, do yearly checkups. If you can catch it before, that's always better than too late. So once again, thank you for coming out. Thank you to everyone involved. Give yourself a round of applause. Thank you.
Forgive me. Living life the way I want, doing what there is to do, searching for